Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini Malhotra. Today in History Children, we will study about the different ages of the early humans, how they led their life during the different ages of time. So let us see. Children, this is about the lifestyle of the early humans. So let us start with the early humans. They used to live in the lap of nature and they were fully dependent upon the nature. For example, they were dependent upon the leaves, fruits and the trees which grows in the forest, and they used to eat the animals. They used to kill the animals and eat those animals for their survival. And they used to move here and there for their survival, and that is why they were called as nomads. These people, their life was full of struggle and they led very hardships. They used the hides or the skins of animals to protect themselves from cold weather. They lived on the branches of the trees or in the caves. Once they ate up all the fruits and food at a place, they used to move to the other places. They were wandering here and there for the sake of food, so they were called as the nomads. At this stage, they stopped wandering and began to live in the small huts. After moving here and there, so at some stage they stopped wandering and began to live in the small huts. This was the beginning of the settled life. These early settlements developed first into small and later into large villages. Then there was the development of villages. This was the early humans' first step towards the civilization. Now the humans they started becoming civilized. This was the life of early humans, and collectively this life was known as the Stone Age. Now this Stone Age has been divided into these following three stages. Number one is the Paleolithic stage, which means Paleo means old and Lithic means stone. So this is the old stage or old Stone Age. Middle Stone Age means the Mesolithic age. Meso means middle. New Stone Age or the Neolithic age. Neo means new. Now let us study them one by one. The Old Stone Age was a period during which people obtained food by hunting and gathering only, not by agriculture or animal husbandry. Metal was not used, only stone was used for tools, arrowheads and hand axes. They used to hunt the animals and there was no agriculture during this period, and the tools which they make for their protection was also made up of stones. The early humans lived in groups to be safe from the wild and ferocious. Ferocious are dangerous. They lived in the groups to protect themselves from the dangerous animals of the forest like tigers, lions, panthers. Living in groups provided them food and protection both. When they ate up all the food of one area, then they used to move to new areas. When the food was finished in one area, then they used to move in the other area. In this way, they moved constantly from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and sometimes for protection from the wild animals. Now these people are wandering from here and there in search of food and also for shelter. Old humans did not understand the natural phenomena such as thunder of lightning and were afraid of them. They did not understand what is the thunder, so they were afraid of that. They took shelter in caves of the hilly areas, or else they lived on the high branches of the trees. Either they used to live in the caves or they used to live on the branches of the big trees. Now let us see tools. What the tools and weapons these people used. One of the greatest inventions done by the early humans was making some stone tools. Children, as I have already told you, they were not aware of any other thing, only the stone was used. So the tools were made up of stone. Most of the tools and weapons used by the early humans were made of the locally available stones. The stones which were available in the forest, they used to make the tools from them. A hard stone called flint was the most used stone, as it was hard but easy to chip and shape. This flint stone was very much used during that period because it can be changed, its shape can be changed. Other types of stones were used to make tools and weapons. These tools also helped them to bring suitable changes in the environment to make their survival easier. Some of the tools they used to make for their protection, and it makes their survival easier. That is why this period is also known as Old Stone Age. That is why this period is called Old Stone Age. However, the tools that were made at this stage were rough and unpolished. They were not aware of polishing, so the tools were rough. Some of these tools have been found in the Son River Valley and Punjab, Pakistan. These stones are found in the Punjab and Pakistan. At some places in India, such as in Kashmir Valley, tools and weapons made of bones and horns of animals. Some of the tools are also made of bones and horns of the animals. Such tools and weapons have also been found in the foothills of Himalayas. Some of these tools are found in these various regions: chopper, hand axe, cleaver, arrowhead, scrapers, and some of the tools are also used. These are made up of these tools are used. So children, I hope that you have understood this much part, that about the stone people, how the weapons were made, how the old Stone Age people used the weapons, and later on how the fire was developed, how they developed fire, how they introduced fire by the Stone Age. We will continue it on the next turn. So have a good day children. Goodbye.